welcome back. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Natashia. And of course, in today's video, if you can see by the title, I am doing a quick eyeliner tutorial for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I put on my eyeliner, please keep watching. So the first thing you want to do when using liquid eyeliner, go ahead and shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. So how I start my eyeliner is at the end, and I kind of go as far as the tip of my brow. That is why I always do my brows first. So what I'm going to do is, and rest your hand somewhere on your face to make sure you don't shake. I'm going to start at the end of my eye. Look at my finger, look where it's resting. You see how I have that straight line? And you see how it's at the tip or the tail end of my brow. I'm gonna pick up additional products, so I'm just gonna shake it up. And you don't wanna start at the end of your line. You kind of wanna start probably like right here. And you're gonna bring this forward. Once I bring this area forward, I'm gonna fill in my wing. And then I'm gonna fill in the center part of my eye. So you see how I was able to just place a little bit of product to make the line look straight? We're gonna do that right here as well. So now I'm gonna start going in to my tear duct to fill that in. So now that I have the inner corner done, my liner is complete. So I have a straight line. Moving on to my other eye, I'm just going to shake up my eyeliner once again. And remember, I start at the tail end of my eye, and I don't go any further than the tail end of my brow. So here and here. Now that I have the line created, and remember, I did not go any further than the tip of my brow. You want to keep this line straight because of course we're doing a cat eye. So I probably start midway, kind of like in the center of the line, and I'm gonna come this way. You see that? Now I'm gonna fill in my cat eye. So now that the cat eye portion is filled in, now I'm gonna move to the center of my eye. Remember, go slow. So let's do the inner corner. You guys know I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I always appreciate the support. This was a highly requested video, so I hope I was able to explain it the best of my ability to where you understand. If this video was helpful for you, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and also share the tutorial with your friends and family. As always, until my next video, I miss you guys, and of course, I will see you soon. Bye.